Hello students, in the previous video of this chapter, you have learnt about the solar system. In today's session, we will learn about the shape of the earth and pole star. We see the sun and the moon shaking. How good it looks. Our earth is also such a sphere only. It is spherical in shape and it is flat at both the poles. Some astronauts have gone up to the moon. They have taken Earth's photographs from there. From moon, Earth looks like a giant sphere. We are living in a small village or a city. The part of the earth which we are able to see is very small part of the earth. Thus it cannot be said by us that earth is spherical. Have you ever seen broken earthen pot? If you take a small piece of it in your hand, you cannot imagine that it would have been round. Thus looking at a small part of the earth does not tell us that whole earth is spherical. But now with the help of photographs taken from moon and space, we can say that there is no doubt about the earth's shape. Earth is not round like a ball, but it is like an orange. The earth's poles are slightly flat and is slightly inflated at equator. The center of the earth is larger than the polar circle. We can know the volume and weight of the earth. In order to study about Earth, it is used as a circular device. A map of the world is drawn on it, continents, oceans and important lines are drawn on it. The globe is a small replica of the Earth. On the circle of the Earth you can show North Pole and South Pole. With the help of globe, it can be said that the Earth is tilted towards one side. There is a star in the sky which always appears in the same direction and at the same place. Then how to recognize the star? The pole star can easily be detected with the help of constellation Saptarishi. You will see a bright star while moving in the direction of the fabulous line connecting the two stars in front of Saptarishi. That's the polar star. People who travel by sea or who travel in desert can easily find polar star. The direction in which the star appears is north. It is visible only in northern hemisphere. Due to its stability and nearly circular shape of the earth, it cannot be seen from the southern hemisphere. I hope students you have understood today's session well. Thank you.